Jeez.
Yeah, get over that. Get over there. You got them?
I got the one on the left.
There you go.
Okay, yeah.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
I've got my horse. Of course.
Well, yeah, she's wanting to go too. So hold on. That's enough.
Falcor.
Slow down.
Sit.
Slow down.
Sit.
Okay. Now, you hang on to your reins.
Okay.
That's right.
Do you lean into the turns like a motorcycle or no?
No.
No? Okay.
And what you do is take your leg and you're pushing her out, right? They'll go away from the pressure. Do you understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And you're looking directly between the ears because that's where you want to go, okay? For when you're directing. You
Okay.
understand what I mean?
Yep. And how tight are you on the reins then?
It's a you want contact, Steve,
Mm-hmm.
but not tight.
Okay.
If you understand
Gotcha.
what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
okay.
Okay. So you want contact, and that's good. That's very good. If she starts, you go like this. You feather them lightly.
Yep.
You
Okay.
just bring her back down, make her walk, and talk to her.
Hey, it's okay. That's a good girl.
See what I mean?
Yep. Good
Okay.
girl. Okay.
Ask her to move off.
Come on.
Good. Slow, because she'll go.
Slow down.
That's why I say she will book it.
Yeah.
So you just turn around and you tell her. You say you
Yeah. Yeah.
gently feather the reins.
Okay.
Okay? Use your legs for your balance. Try and use your legs.
Yep.
Okay? You slow down, Queenie. Yes, we know you're fast. We know you're very fast.
Yeah, we don't need to prove that today.
Yeah, exactly. This is what I'm trying to tell her. You be good girl, huh? Yeah. You see, I'm just going to slide this out. It's okay, Lou. Very good. Very nice. No,
Okay.
no, bring her back
Whoa.
down.
Yep.
Bring her back down. Good,
Yep.
good. Really
Okay.
good.
Good.
Really good.
Good girl.
Perfect. And your seat is really good, actually. You're not leaning too far forward. You're sitting nice and straight.
Okay. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it. Yep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a good girl. Good girl. Okay, I kind of get where the accelerator and the brake is here.
You got it? Good. I know, yeah, really, eh?
Okay, and whoa, 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 whoa. That's a good.
Now,
Come on.
if you want to turn her, we'll go the other direction.
Okay.
But I've got to be able to change the rein. So,
No, well, so it's okay. I want to get kind of used to the gears here.
yeah.
Okay, whoa. Bring her down. That's okay.
Um,
Okay.
Scott, would you mind helping Jen to get on, please? Because I'll stay with Steve, you stay with Jen till she's comfortable. Because I don't want to leave Steve. See how smooth they are, though?
Mm-hmm.
Like bumpy right now, but that is still smoother than a trot. We'll get Cynthia riding eventually, too. Right, Cynthia? Oh, good. See the difference?
Yeah.
Once you're, yeah.
Yeah, it's just it's all touch on
Yeah,
this.
exactly, exactly. It most definitely is. Whether it be your legs,
Oh.
your butt, or your hands.
Mm-hmm.
They feel it all.
Okay. Whoa.